Hello, welcome to Ritam Saha's multipurpose videos. Today's topic is how a computer starts. Now you are thinking that, oh, a computer, it's very simple. We are just required to on the power supply and then we are just needed to press the CPU button. But inside the CPU there is a long process. Through it only the computer starts. So today I am going to tell you what is that process and what happens in that process. Today's video is completely filled up with computer knowledge. So, if you are a computer lover, so I really want to tell you that please see this video completely. Okay, so now let us don't waste time and start our today's video. So now first let me tell you what is the name of the process through which the computer starts. The name of the process through which the computer starts is booting. The name is booting. Now what is booting? Booting is the process through which the computer starts. It is the process from which you press the power button which is present in your CPU, and from it to till when your computer screen asks you for your password. Enter your password. Enter your password. So from the power button, from pressing the power button to your screen ask for your password, the process is known as booting process. This whole process means from the power, I press the power button until then my screen asks for me for the enter your password till then is the booting process. Components through which this booting system is done is CPU, then motherboard, RAM, and power supply. One, two, three, four. These CPU, motherboard, RAM, and power supply. These four components create a program which name is BIOS. BIOS. This is inbuilt in the motherboard, this BIOS, and the full form of this BIOS is Basic Input and Output. System. So now these four components, CPU, motherboard, RAM, power supply, makes BIOS activate. It's inbuilt. This BIOS is inbuilt in the motherboard, but these four components make the BIOS activate. And the full form of BIOS is basic input output system. Okay. So now this BIOS first do a system which is post. P-O-S-T. Post. Now this post doesn't mean that post office. The full form of this post is power on self test. POST, power on self test. As if you see when you on your computer, that time for just few seconds the like your printer, keyboard, then mouse, these the lights which is present in them blink and off. This happens because that the BIOS check that does all these things which are connected with your computer are okay or not. And if it is not okay, so it can show you like your keyboard is not okay, so it can show you that keyboard is not okay, press F1 to continue, or it can show keyboard is not attached, like this, etc and etc. So this is the full thing. Then after the post, now it's come for the time for your OS means operating system. Okay, so now this operating system, it meant that the Windows, like you have Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc and etc. So now, as do you know one thing, that RAM and ROM, they never download any data in them. They need to take it. So what we'll do, this BIOS will go to the hard disk and hard disks or anything else like your OS in hard disk, E drive, C drive, or it can be in your pen drive. CD and DVDs now don't work so much as they are little olden times. So now where is your BIOS? And BIOS is always here, MBS. Now this MBS doesn't mean the doctor MBS. This means master boot system. My boot is little dirty, I need to clean it up. I am Rabi. I have rubbed the four components as I have told you a lot of time. But remember those CPU, motherboard, power supply and RAM, as they are the most important. So now this MBS, this master boot system, like OS in your pen drive or in your hard disk or anywhere else. I mean the OS, operating system, is saved as the name of MBS. It is saved as the name of MBS. It is called MBS, master boot system. So this BIOS will check that where the MBS is given. if you ever on your computer and check this boot system, so you will see that the first place the BIOS will check, it is in the hard disk, CED. Then if you will see, it will check the pen drive. Then it will check the CD drive. So like this only it happens. Like if anyone is buying the computer for the first time, so he need to download the OS. So this OS, so as the BIOS will check the pen drive, and over there only he will be getting this master boot system, and from there only he will be downloading OS. So over there the OS will go, and after it will go to hard disk. See, basically all the OS are being given to hard disk basically. So you will see the person who give you the laptop always have a pen drive, so that this OS he will save in your computer. So like this only all happens the BIOS. So as I have told you that the 4 important parts. So first, now let us do it from the before. First CPU, motherboard, and then motherboard, power supply and RAM. These 4 components, and then these all activate the BIOS, and BIOS basic input output. It does the post power on self test, and from there it goes to the MBS master boot system, and over there he download the OS, and from that OS your computer starts. So now as you can understand that we are just required to press a button, but inside so much big procedure is happening, so big. So like this only a computer on, and nothing more I need to tell you, as I have tell all the things before only. So as I have told you all the things that this. So now for today this much. Now I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.